charge, I hereby certify that these candidates for graduation have successfully completed the coordination and evaluations and administrative program of Bureau of Fire Protection, Molinay Fire Station. I have the honor to present to you the candidates Malahap 2004-005. Mag-aaral na laging handa sa mga hamon. From Molinay Institute composed of 7 males and 8 females with a total of 15 students.
May I read the content first? So the certificate of completion is hereby awarded to after having successfully completed the work immersion program and operations and administrative programs of the Bureau of Fire Protection, Molinay Fire Station, Molinay, Quezon, covering the period of 15 April 2024, 19 April to 19 April 2024, and 22 April 2024 to 26 April 2024 as an integral part of the work immersion program given this 29th day of April 2024 at Molinay Fire Station, Tibol Street, Barangay Poblacion 1, Molinay, Quezon. Signed, Fire Inspector Roy Ariel Guerrero, Acting Municipal Fire Marshal. 2. Neil Faith B. Manas, Mark Gian M. Fernandez, John Michael B. Paz, Justin D. Blanco, Cedric Glenn O. Vandevena, John Leonard P. Deraya, G. P. Truzat, Tina Glyza M. Enriquez, Anika Chelsea F. Lucas, Jessa Player G. Abacano, Sikia K. C. Campbell, Desiel S. Nunez, Chian R. Salamero, Chanel R. Lamitero,